Hi champions! Welcome to my very first video of 2021. And I hope everybody's enjoying their first few days of 2021. And today, I will be making a makeup look inspired by the colors of the year, which is the ultimate gray and a cheerful yellow called Illuminating. So without further ado, let's start. So I kind of finished my base off camera to save time in my brows. So now what I'm gonna do is finish bronzing, what else? Highlight, blush, contour, everything and all that jazz. So let's do that. So to bronze, I will be using this BYS matte powder, bronzing powder, and using this e.l.f. bronzing brush. So guys, how was your holidays, Christmas and New Year's? Because for us, it was okay, fine lang. Medyo quiet dito sa place namin, so. But New Year's was a bit different because of course may mga mga noise around. Since bawal dito sa Davao ang banned ang mga firecrackers and all that. So what we do pag 12 midnight na is people around us use their cars, their motorcycles. So just they roam around the subdivision to make noise. So that's how our New Year's is. What about you? So comment below, how was your experience? I guess this is fine. So let's move on to my nose. So next is highlight. Let's put highlight here in my cupid's bow, my chin, and the high part of my cheeks. So now that's done. I guess we will proceed to eyes. So a while ago I said I will be making a makeup look inspired by the colors gray and yellow. So I was thinking I am combining this yellow here.
A few moments later.
So I decided to make the other eye off camera because I don't know where to start, what to do with the colors. So luckily I did this. So now I hope na replicate this side. So let's do that. Okay. So first is I dipped into this shade that to cover my crease. Blend it back and forth, blending it back and forth. Just enough to show a little bit of its color. Like that. It really doesn't show sa camera, pero in personal, I see it. So next, this color, yellow. I will apply it just this kanina corner, then pa-inwards and blend. And since I want more color, so I will be tapping it to get more pigment. Diba? And dragging it outwards with a different shade of yellow. Using this my under eyes. So there's that. So as you can see, I have glitter here, so I'm gonna do this on the side. So that's it for the yellow part. So with the gray part, I will be putting it in my crease. So let's do that. So I found a gray, metallic gray in an old, very old na eyeshadow palette. And that's what I'm using right now. So basically, I'm just tapping it in my crease as if I'm making but cutting my crease. Just like that. Then next is liner. First step is I am using this gel liner to line my eyes, of course. So black pencil for my waterline. Then finally a liquid liner. So guys, this Pantone Color of the Year makeup look inspired is all complete. So I guess it's time to wrap up this video by saying thank you very much for watching, and of course, as always, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in all of my social media accounts. Until the next video, please take care of yourselves, be healthy, and love one another. Bye!